This is NBHM PhD Entrance 2020 solution. So for each of the following series, write convergent or divergent in the box as they may be. Okay, so first, it's an easier one relatively. So summation of 1 by n log n. So this is a divergent because of p equal to 1 into this. So the series will be 1 by n log n whole to the power p is convergent if p greater than 1. So this is directly n greater than equal to 2. So this is a divergent structure. Div. Next part, log of square n by n square. So now log n is less than n to the power 1 by 3. So log square n is less than 2 by 3. Let bn equal to n to the power 2 by 3 by n square. So (1 by 3). Now p equal to 4 by 3 and this is greater than 1. So by p test we can say summation of bn is like this. So summation of log square n square is less than summation of bn equal to n to the power 2 by 3 by n square. So this is actually a convergent structure. So B is done. Let me do C. So in C they have given 1 by summation of 1 by n log square n. So is CGF is convergent if P greater than 1. So this is obviously another convergent structure. And D is summation of root over n plus 1 minus root n by n. So let an equal to this thing. We take this and root over n plus 1 plus root n. If we just add up this. So the above is n plus 1 minus n. So 1 by n into root over n plus 1 plus root n. So y n to the power 3 by 2 root over 1 plus 1 by n plus 1. This thing is less than 1 to the power 3 by 2 and 1 by n to the power 3 by 2 is convergent by p test. So obviously summation of an equal to is actually a convergent structure. Here's the answer.